Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on ThinkorSwim. And ThinkorSwim is combined with Charles Schwab. So if you are having an account right there on Charles Schwab, you can also log in with that account. But if you don't have an account on Charles Schwab, you can create it right here with a gas pass. So what we're going to do right now is click here on create a gas pass. And then what we're going to do is fill in right here your first name, last name, email address. Select right here if you are a US resident and then do continue. Then they will send you right here an email and then we need to fill in right here this code and then you can go further to the next step. Then they ask you to fill in your login ID, create a password and then give them answer to a security question. Then after that you will do next and then they will throw you to your gas pass account. So right now if I click right here on cancel and go right here again, go back to the starting ThinkorSwim account and we do login to gas pass, fill in right here my ID, continue, right here my password, login, and there we are. This is how you can create yourself an account right here on ThinkorSwim. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.